Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm the Youth Engagement Officer in Ysgol Gorllewin Cymronda. I've nominated the after-school programme that happens in West 2 across my school and Ferndale. The young people decided that they wanted to give something back to their community, and so the idea for a community project after-school club was created.
They have, over the year, donated Christmas shoeboxes that they have created themselves from scratch to the hospital in Cardiff, known as our Children's Hospital. Two groups are working together on a charity walk, raising money for Alzheimer's research. They've contributed to the youth club plans. They've designed their own day in the holidays based upon their own ideas, their own challenges, their own games that they've run themselves. We've worked with a food bank, we've worked with the local primary school doing a miners' memorial walk.
One of the key moments for the young people attending Cymronda, they took part in creating and delivering an anti-vaping workshop. The sessions were delivered across all the feeder primary schools in the area. In the sessions, the young people gave lots of information about what's in vapes and the dangers and risks of vaping. I'm super proud of all the young people that attend the after-school clubs. They make a massive difference to the community and their schools. We've
had over 50 young people work on this project throughout the year, and every single one of them should be commended for the commitment and efforts they've put in, and we're very proud of them all.
So yeah, it's been amazing. Good luck, guys.